Yes, Keith was asking if we knew of any dry cleaners in the Delaware Valley who would clean kilts. So that's specific to our area. Maybe you guys just have thoughts on dry cleaning in general for tips on that.
Sure. No, I don't know any specifically. First thing I'd do to vet a dry cleaner is go to the dry cleaner of choice, the closest one to you, or check Google reviews, Yelp reviews, things like that. Make sure there's not a ton of complaints.
Right.
Go to them and see if they actually clean the clothes there, if they are the laundering facility, or if they are just a pop-up shop, effectively, that once every other day, they take all the clothes that they've collected and take it to a big facility, have it dry cleaned, then bring it back and put it in their store. I want to make sure that they have control over the entire process. They're not just a middleman for a massive size cleaner. We use Phoenix Cleaners in Phoenixville. We had a lot of luck with them. There's another one over in Kimberton. I forget the gent's name who owns that one, but there's one in Kimberton, Pennsylvania. We've used it for. Very good as well. In the Delaware Valley area, outside of my locality, I honestly don't know.
Hundreds of them.
Yeah, there's literally, you're right, hundreds of dry cleaners.
The pleat, charging for the pleats, that kind of thing. You want to go over that?
Yep. When you have them dry clean it, ask them to just clean it. Do not press it. Pressing is going to cost a lot of money, or more money, I should say. And B, if they screw up the pleats, when you go to a dry cleaner, they'll actually lay the kilt flat and then pin it down and then ka-chunk, use a big press to press it. And it presses it very, very, very well. The problem is their attention to detail, their level of caring for making sure each individual line is matched up perfectly before they permanently press it is much lower than you're caring about whether it matches up perfectly. So, frankly speaking, just have them clean it, not press it. A, you'll save yourself a couple bucks. B, when it comes back, it will probably still have the pleats in it. Maybe you might have to touch it up with light touch with an iron, but it won't be like a complete mess. That being said, if you take it to them and they do press it and they get it off or wrong, it's going to be a lot more difficult to undo what they did and then redo it the right way.
Okay. Hey everybody. So what is your favorite media platform? YouTube? Facebook? Instagram? As a matter of fact, USA Kilts is on all of those. So do us a favor and check out all the platforms that are the most important to you and make sure you subscribe to us. We're trying to put out content that you're going to enjoy and want to make it as comfortable and easy and fun as possible. And as always, if you have suggestions, we want to hear from you. We want to make this a really great outlet for Celtic culture and kilt especially for everybody. Is that about right?
Yep.
Cool.